Most common question that we get from our federal clients is, what level of facility am I going to? And it's a great question, and before I answer it, BOP will do whatever BOP will do. And your attorney may be able to predict your scoring range based on a risk assessment tool. This is called a pattern tool, or A338. And you can just Google BOP A338 and the form should come up with this score rubric. So there's 3 parts to this document, and they are the identifying data, the base scoring, and the custody scoring. The base scoring is your main number, and then the custody scoring is a variation that could put you up or down in the degree of designation. Your identifying data, part 1, comes from the court. This is all filled in. The base scoring talks about you as the person. Do you have history of violence? Do you have any detainers? What was the severity of the conduct? And your base score, at least initially, determines what is your score for the facility designation. The third part of this document is called custody scoring. And custody scoring is graded separately from base scoring. And custody scoring determines should your designation go up or down based on how many points you get. Is it an upward variance to put you in a higher designation, or is it a lower variance to put you in a lower designation, or should you be where you are? Ultimately, once you do the score sheet, there is a second page that lists what was your score for the base scoring or the part 2, and then what was your score for the custody scoring, which is your part 3, and then there is a matrix as to whether or not you go up or down. The instructions for this form are, and I'm not kidding, 108 pages. So you can do it yourself, but it's also a very fair question to your attorney to figure out how do they score your risk assessment, how do they run your pattern numbers, and you will have a good idea as to where you're going.